Hello, fellow seniors. Let's talk about something so many of us deal with but rarely discuss: crepey arms. That thin, wrinkled, papery skin that seems to sneak up overnight. You wake up one day, wave at someone, and think, what happened to my arms? But here's the good news. There are ways to firm and improve the look of crepey skin. First, hydration is key, inside and out. Use rich body creams with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and retinol. A great option? The Radiance Renewal Cream from Avidasana.com, made for mature skin with visible results over time. Next, don't skip resistance training. Light arm exercises help build muscle underneath the skin, giving it a firmer look. And let's not forget collagen, your skin's natural support system. As we age, we lose it. Supplements can help stimulate production and restore elasticity. In this video, we walked you through the best at-home strategies to restore confidence in your arms without surgery. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more senior style, wellness, and feel-good content. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more senior tips.